Hello my friend, I am Jed Ashir and today I will be presenting to you on how to create a straight-through network cable. And here are the materials needed. UTP cable, RG45 crimper, and of course a network cable tester. And make a straight-through cable, you have to follow the color wiring guide. First, of course, you have to cut the UTP cable in a desired length using the crimper. Peel both ends of the UTP cable. Arrange the wire in a proper color sequence. Then cut the wire to its equal length. Next, you need to connect the UTP wire to the RG45. Check if the wires stay in the proper color sequence and if it reaches the end of the RG45. And carefully lock the RG45 using the crimper. Lastly, check the cable using the cable tester if it is functioning. Once again, my name is Jed Ashir and good day, my friend.